I want to tell you about my new favorite kitchen tool. This is a potato ricer. So, stainless steel, heavy duty, good grip. Let me show you how it works. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I just cooked these potatoes steaming hot. Just cut them into cubes and boiled them. And so let me show you. You're going to put this part down, okay? And now I'm going to show you how it comes out. Check this out. This is so cool. Yeah, these are really just cooked. Look at how that comes out. And it actually was just really easy to do. Wow, look at that. How fun is that? So, like I said, this is heavy duty stainless steel. You can put it in the dishwasher. They're very hot. Look at how fun that is. It's such a cool alternative. Sometimes when I make dinner, I'll just boil potatoes. I don't even mash them. But this is fun and easy. You could put butter on them. You could put gravy. And by the way, you could do sweet potatoes. You could do avocados. There's just so many different things that you could do. You could make baby food with them. And so again, Priority Chef, thank you for sending this to me. This is a pretty incredible, cool tool. And I'm gonna rinse off the chunks, put it in the dishwasher. It'll be good as new, easy to use, can hang it up if you want to. Like I said, this is my new favorite and I love it. Thanks. What do you think? Is this something you think you might use? Pretty cool. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please click subscribe. Thanks.